Originally built in 1957, the Bobby N. Setzer State Fish Hatchery is the largest trout hatchery in North Carolina and is crucial to the success of the Commission's public mountain trout water stocking program. Providing 75% of the trout needed for the program, this hatchery has been extensively used almost uninterrupted for 67 years, and with crumbling infrastructure, it has progressively become more difficult to maintain and keep in operation.
It's to the point now that the infrastructure is so old and crumbling that we could actually lose operations at any time. You know, if we had a pipe bust and shut the water off to the fish, we'd lose all production at that time.
Because of the difficulty to maintain, the hatchery has been selected for a complete renovation, which will impact trout production for a 2-year period starting in January of 2025. The impact on anglers will be minimized as much as possible. Opening day stockings will continue as scheduled, but once construction begins, there will be a reduction in fish stock, less frequent stocking dates, and lower large fish percentages in the total stocking numbers. Once the renovation is complete, the hatchery will be a completely new state-of-the-art facility with increased efficiency, enhanced production, and a more environmentally sound footprint.
So what's going to happen once the renovation's done and Setzer's back and operational? So obviously we'll return back to our current stocking numbers and current stocking locations, and the program will go back to what it was, but we're also looking at enhancing the program, whether it be through adding, new programs, new stockings, bringing on new waters, things like that. So we're looking into that right now, and we'll implement that after we determine, what the increase in production is.
The Commission will regularly provide updates to the public through all its communication channels. To follow the progress of the renovation, scan the QR code.
So, we understand as an agency that, a lot of people are going to be disappointed, for the next 2 years during this renovation process that, our stocking numbers, the number of fish that are stocked, is going to be decreased. However, it's necessary. With the infrastructure here, if it was to fail tomorrow, which it could, we'd be out of the program possibly for, up to 5 years of reduced stocking. And the good thing about it, it's kind of like pardon our mess, but, we're doing this renovation so that we can continue the stockings into the future and then also enhance and create more opportunities for folks down the road.
For more information on the Bobby N. Setzer State Fish Hatchery renovation, please scan the QR code or go to ncwildlife.org.